Hi Stampers, it's Joanne Rogers from Design with Jo. Today I want to tell you all about Stamping Staycation. Have you heard about it yet? Let me give you all the details. This is our online stamping retreat where we take a full day and we show you all different kinds of projects. We walk you step by step through with a live video and a live demonstration, and then we give you a written PDF so that you can make them at home. So together, myself and two other demonstrators, we have a wealth of experience. We've been stamping a long time, so almost 100 years between the three of us. And we have more than 60 years of teaching. So we want you to come and join in and see why we love this hobby so much. This is our third retreat coming up. You will learn all kinds of different designs. We'll give you lots of different alternatives as well. You will also get tips and tricks that we sprinkle throughout the day. You'll get to stamp along with us and all of the other people who are on Stamping Staycation. And we have a fun getting to know you session on the Friday night so that you can ask pretty much any question that you'd like to ask Lillian or Marilyn or I. So when is it? Saturday, January 30th. But if you're already busy that day, just hold on for one moment and you can find out how you can still participate. So let me explain a little bit about it and how it's set up so that you can decide if it works for you. First of all, we host everyone and everything in a private Facebook group. Now, we know that many of you are not Facebook users. So what that means is we are also going to take all of the live presentations and the PDFs. We're going to turn those presentations into a YouTube video in the week following, and then we will email everything out to you so that you can still participate and you have enough time to join in on the challenges and the prizes too. So you might be wondering what type of projects we do. These are a couple samples that we've done in the previous ones. We've done fun folds, 3D ideas, simple stepped up to sensational ideas, one sheet wonder, and techniques. What tools and supplies do you need? That's what's so great. Well, we're going to demonstrate with some of the more recent Stampin' Up! Items. You can use whatever you have because we're also going to show you alternatives. And you'll be able to see how what you have in your own stash will fit. Do you stamp along with us? One of the things we know is that everybody stamps at different paces. And so we wanted this to be a really relaxing, fun, educational day. So we're going to do a demonstration, our project step by step. Then we're going to share with you the PDF so that you can download that and you can make yours using your own items whenever you want. You can try and get them done on Saturday. We have had people do that. Or you can do them in the week following or the months following, whenever is good and fits your schedule. But we couldn't go the whole day without having some real live hands-on stamping. So we have a secret stamping session. We'll give you the tools that you're going to need in advance, and then we'll give you more hints on how you will stamp your project, and then we'll see what everybody comes out with. What level of stamper do you need to be to join in? Any level, whether you're starting out or whether you've been stamping for a long time, there's going to be something that will give you a little shot of inspiration during the day. At least one, but I'll bet you there'll be more than one thing. All of our projects are going to be so easy to duplicate with the PDF and by going back and rewatching that video that you're going to be able to make a ton of different cards and different designs using the ideas. How do you register? You just click on the Get It Now button. So if you're watching this video and you're not currently on my website, I've got the address that you need to go to and you'll be able to register. As soon as you register, we'll ask you for a little bit more information and then we'll send you the link to the Facebook group. So again, you can get yourself signed up right away on the Facebook group, or if you're going to wait a little bit afterwards and get the YouTube videos, we'll send you emails out then too. If you have any questions at all, I would love to answer them for you because we'd really like to see you at our Winter 2021 Stamping Staycation. Be sure to email me at jo@designwithjo.ca. So bye for now, and everybody have a great paper crafting day.